In this video, I am going to teach you the beginner's guide to Figma wireframes. I will give you tips, tricks, and how to set it up. So the first thing you need to do is you need to head over to figma.com. So you can either log in if you already have an account or get started for free if you do not have one yet. In my case, let me head over and click on this get started for free, and you can just use your Google, or you can also continue with email. In my case, I'll just choose the Google option right here, and then this will open a new window that will prompt me to choose in here the Google account that I want to associate with the actual Figma. I'll just choose in here a Google account and click on continue. And then after that, CAPTCHA will load in order to verify that we're real human. So just wait for this to finish the loading process. Now in here, just wait for this. Now once you have successfully signed up, just head over and click onto this design option. And then it will prompt you to create a new design. So head over and click on this option right there. This will load right here. So just wait for this to finish the loading process. So you can see right here a blank workspace. So what we can do is we can just input right here some things that we want added. For example, let's create a website, and then this will load the actual frame for that. You can see in here this particular wireframes for it. Now you can also click on F on your keyboard if you would want in order to see in here some things that you can use. So for example, we have in here some things that we can actually utilize. You can also click onto this icon right here since this is actually the frame icon. You can choose the frame option and you can choose the actual frame and then just edit it and add it right here. You can also resize it and this will be added as a frame. So in here, in order to design your frame, you can also scroll or you can also zoom in. And then into this, as you can see, we already have in here some pre-made templates. You can also add some assets on your newly created ones if you want. We have in here libraries for material design kit as well as simple design system. You can see in here some components you can add like avatars, badges, buttons, headings, cards, and the likes. So for example, let's add in here a date and time picker. So for this case, I'll just choose in here this doc input and then click onto this insert instance. Now into this will be inserted into this part as well. Now click onto this insert. You can also drag and drop it depending on which one you want to actually use. So since we already have in here some pre-designated options, you can also head over and then just edit them according to your liking as well. So that's how you actually use and design some Figma wireframes. Hope we helped.